Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me HP OfficeJet Pro 9 and 12, and now I'm gonna show you how to connect this device to the Wi-Fi network. Firstly, you should open the settings. Afterwards, scroll down, click Network Setup. Choose Wireless Settings. Enable Wireless. Afterwards, scroll down and choose Wireless Setup Wizard. Here you will see the list of all available networks. This printer is from new generation, so this printer supports 2.4G Wi-Fi networks and 5G networks too. So you can select, for example, 5G network. And right now you can press VPS, so Wi-Fi protected setup button on your Wi-Fi router, but if you don't have access to your Wi-Fi router, you can provide the password from your Wi-Fi network. So here you have numbers, here you have letters, and here you can, for example, change the keyboard layout. For example, you can change it to QWERTY. In this way you will have normal keyboard. If you want to use the signs, so you can find it here. If you want to use uppercase buttons, so just click Shift. And click Done. Afterwards, click OK. So, unfortunately, in my case, this process is so I can't do that because my Wi-Fi module on this device is damaged. It's used printer, so unfortunately I can't connect to the Wi-Fi network. But if you have a new printer or your printer doesn't have problems with the network, so I hope you will successfully connect. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.